Assalamu alaikum and hi. We are from A9 Group will presenting about non-destructive test, NDT. My group members are Muhammad Hafiz Hakimi bin Saidi, Sidi Syarmila binti Othman, Tan Winnie and Sidi Sarah Nabila binti Mode Foad. NDT refers to analysis techniques used to evaluate the properties of a material, component, or system without causing any damage. Think of it as a medical checkup for materials and structures. Instead of breaking something apart to see how strong it is, we use sophisticated tools and methods to examine its internal health and integrity. The tests we conducted include rebound hammer testing, moisture testing, resistivity test, and crack monitoring. This is the location where we conducted our non-destructive testing, NDT, for the mini project. The selected site is the Highway and Traffic Laboratory at the Dragon Building, Pusat Pengajian Jijawi 3. The slab and beam were the structure that we choose to conduct this test. First test is the rebound hammer test. It helps us quickly estimate how strong the concrete is. You can see in the picture how it's done with a special hammer hits the concrete and we measure how far it bounces back. A higher bounce means stronger concrete. This slide shows a concrete moisture meter, like the one made by Tramex. This is another non-destructive test. To use it, we simply place the meter on the concrete surface. The device then sends out a signal and measures the electrical impedance, which helps it figure out how much moisture is present inside the concrete. The image shows a Recipod concrete resistivity meter. This device has electrodes that are placed on the concrete surface. It then passes a small electrical current and measures the resistance. High resistivity means it's harder for these harmful ions to penetrate, which protects the steel reinforcement inside the concrete from corrosion. Low resistivity indicates a higher risk of corrosion. Finally, the test is crack monitoring. The tool shown here is a portable digital microscope. We place the microscope directly over a crack, and it magnifies the view and will showing the details of the crack on its small screen. This allows us to accurately measure the width and length of the crack. Next, I will continue with recommendation. The first one is surface protection and repair. Visible surface cracks should be sealed using crack injection techniques such as epoxy or polyurethane, which restore structural strength and prevent water ingress. Once cracks are repaired, applying a waterproof coating or sealer on the slab surface adds a protective layer against moisture, chemicals, and chloride attacks, helping to extend the lifespan of the concrete. Second, monitoring and inspection. Regular structural inspections are essential to detect early signs of damage. Non-destructive testing, NDT, methods like rebound hammer, moisture testing, crack monitoring, and concrete resistivity testing allow for safe, accurate monitoring without harming the structure. These methods ensure early intervention and better decision-making in maintenance planning. Third, reinforcement measures. That was the fiber reinforced polymer, FRP, composites, such as carbon or glass fiber wraps, can be used to enhance structural strength and corrosion resistance. Additionally, cathodic protection, CP, systems either sacrificial anode or impressed current types are effective in controlling steel reinforcement corrosion, ensuring long-term durability of the structure. That's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.